Hello, my champions, and welcome back to Dr. Shorab's classes. Today, we are solving a beautiful question from the Senior International Logic Olympiad, an examination that does not just test your maths, it tests your thinking attitude also. And this examination is all about the logical reasoning, the smart probability, and sometimes your ability to not trust yourself also. And yes, today's question is exactly like that. Can you trust your own decision? So let's read the question. You can't decide whether to enroll in a particular class, so you decide to flip a coin. You tell yourself that if you get heads, you will enroll. But even if you get heads, there is actually a 20% chance that you will ignore your coin flip decision and decide not to enroll anyway. So you flip the coin, and what is the percentage of chance that you get heads and enroll in the class? Okay, this is a very nice question. So let's solve this together. Okay, so basically you made a decision and then said, but I don't trust myself. So coin said heads, and you say, no bro, I don't feel like it. So this is not the probability, this is like the emotional damage. Let's not panic. Whenever probability looks confusing, we break it into the stages. So stage number 1. Stage 1 is probability of getting heads. That is 1 by 2. Now that's stage 2. Even after heads, you might betray your own decision. So chance you ignore is 20%, that is 0.2, and the chance you follow, that is 80%, that is 0.8. Okay. Now, when events happen one after another, we multiply the probabilities. Why? Because both things must happen together. So first, heads must happen, and then you must obey your decision. Okay, now we combine both the steps. So probability is 1.2 into 0.8. 1 by 2 into 0.8. So this is 0.5 into 0.8. So this is 0.4. Okay. So the final answer for this question is 0.4 or 40%. So the probability that you get heads and you get actually enroll, that is 40%. Okay. Now many students would wrongly say answer is 50% because heads is like enroll. Wrong, because the question secretly adds human behavior. So this is called the conditional probability thinking. Okay. Now this problem is basically a mix of the basic probability, second is the conditional thinking, and third is the real life decision uncertainty. Okay, So in real exams like Olympiad, questions are not about the formulas, they are about the hidden conditions. Okay, so this is like mom is saying study if you get heads. Okay, and you get head, and also you say that let me just check the Instagram once. So that is 20%. That's your distraction probability. Okay, so remember always, first break into the steps, then multiply the probabilities, and always check the hidden conditions. Okay, so the final answer for this question is 40%. So we have solved a beautiful question from the Senior International Logic Olympiad. Okay, so in the next session we will solve more question from this particular examination. So don't miss that out. It will be very beneficial for you if you are targeting the Senior International Logic Olympiad. Okay, so keep learning and keep growing, and come join us and you will see the difference. Okay, so see you in the next session guys. Bye bye.